guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, naglalaro ako ngayon with my sister Linex. Mag-hi ka!
Hi!
So, ayan. Puro na lang so. Maghihintay tayo ng ilang minutes. Oh, huwag ka mag-ano ng ibang word dyan. So, puro na lang so. Ayan guys. Mag-ano tayo. Open tayo ng...
Alam, may nag-join sa akin! Parang circle ate ah.
Mag-open
Saan ka na ate? Hindi kita makita.
By one.
Uy.
Mag-open tayo.
Si Bay ka na! Parang yung ano. Ate yun!
Wait lang.
Yung dalawang bacon boy.
Ala! Ang common. Ayoko. Bili ulit tayo. Ay, pwede pa siya.
Yung sa camera mo.
Wow!
I'm scared.
Rare yung nakuha natin, guys.
So I'm gonna buy something. You know, just buy the sky blue.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
You know, just...
What are you doing to me, Linex?
I think I got...
20 na lang pera ko, guys.
No, I'm not rich enough.
Babalik ako, guys, pagka ano na. Bye muna.
Someone.
Ayan na pala. Ayan. Sa Happy Neighborhood tayo. Happy Neighborhood tayo, Linex.
Ate, kanya one, gusto niya.
Lalabas na ako. Hawakan mo muna. Magsalita ka dyan.
Hello, So, I don't know what is this. I'm gonna play because my sister. I'm the killer.
Hindi ikaw yun. Sino yan? Okay. So,
Ate, yan yung killer Kina.
ha?
Yan yung killer Kina.
Kanina.
Opo. Tapos gusto ko yung killer ako ganyan.
Isang game lang yung i-video ko, guys. Pero maglalaro pa kami after this.
Okay. Ate,
Para hindi masyadong mahaba yung...
oh my God, I'm in the maze. Wait, I think her Pennywise.
Hindi
Si Pennywise ba yun?
Nagtatago dun, guys.
Ako yun, ate!
Ikaw ba yun? Ay, kailangan natin siya i-save. Pero, siya unahin natin.
You see, ate?
Be, wag kang lumayo! Ano ba yan?
God,
Lumalayo siya, te.
ate, I'm kinda scared.
Isipon, guys, yung kapatid ko ngayon.
So, guys, I'm kinda scared to go inside, but I'm still not afraid.
Ano daw?
I think Pennywise is inside.
It's not Pennywise, it's his character.
Oh, I want to be
Ayan,
that character.
tatlo yung may ano, sana umalis naman na yun, be.
Mm.
Wait lang. Ay, ayun. May ano dito. Ayun! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Ay, wala. Kung mamatay ako
Ate, I
dyan.
cannot find
Basta
you.
maano ko lang tong gold bar. Tingnan nyo kung gaano
Oh my God,
halaga niyan,
Ate, I got caught.
40.
Ate, I got caught. Ate, save me.
Where are you?
I'm in the random dish. Ate. Random dish, ate. Ate,
Oh! Nakayuli ako! Help me man. Uy!
cannot help you. Someone help you?
No. Help me, uy!
But I'm still not alive. Oh my God.
Help, please help.
Help.
I'm begging.
You know, I just far. Cannot see anything.
No, 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 please, please, please. Help,
Cannot
help
see
me.
anything.
Help me now!
Ate, where's the yellow house?
What? So, expected natin yung kapatid ko.
Ate,
Saan ba kasi mga tao, te? Dead ka na din?
Yes, I'm dead.
Saan na yun?
Kumatak na ba tayo?
Mamaya na yun. Ilang minutes pa
Hey,
lang yun
ate.
natin. Dalawanghin natin na game to para
Ate,
mas
look
lalo.
at me. I'm in the campfire.
Yeah. So, makipag-trade na muna tayo sa iba. So, ano yan? Te, hindi ko alam. Bigyan ko na siya siguro nito.
So, I don't like this anymore. I'm gonna just stop
Okay, so, ayan guys. Ano, ay, bago. Matagal na din kasi ako nila paglaro to.
Yan.
Ano yun natin ito? Yung Darkwood
But I like this, ate. I kinda like...
Asylum.
Ooh, this
Basta
is so
yun.
cool.
So, minamanat ako yan. Excuse me. Hoy, for the go.
So, guys, I'm lost
Pag
again.
talaga ako naging sika,
I think I'm
kuyo
lost.
kayo. Char.
I think I'm lost.
Mamansin pa rin ako pag
I'm
ganun.
lost. Oh, no,
Sige,
I'm not.
tuloy kita. Parang pangarap ko. Pag ako naging killer dito.
Huwag mo ako kila. If you kill... Malapit ako.
Ako yung killer!
Go.
Yeah!
You look so pretty.
Yeah, I know.
Don't
I know,
kill me.
right?
Don't kill me.
Okay, I won't kill you.
Ate, I beg you. I'm gonna hide in the closet. Ate, Mami.
The killer is here. Gosh, my bright
Ate,
light.
Mami, get your phone.
Wait.
Oh, get it.
Yan, nilakasan ko yung brightness kasi wala talaga akong makita. Ayun, te, oh. Ayun siya, te. Hoy, hi, te.
Hi, bulaklak. Uy, that's my sister.
Oh, I don't care.
I mean, my...
Ay, te, ba't ka tumatalon? Uy, walang ganyanan, te. Aba, gusto nyo atang madeds ng maaga. Hoy, bumalik kayo dito!
Ate, I definitely see you.
Lili, wag mong isa-save sila. Pag sinave mo sila, isusunod kita.
Ano, ate? Ate, I kinda know. Ate, ako yan.
Ay, ikaw ba yan? Ay,
ate.
hala, hindi ko tinuloy. Sorry, I didn't mean it.
You know, ate, I'm kind of stuck, ate. Ate, I'm kind of stuck. Ate, I think there's the killer. Oh my god.
Ikaw yan, di ba?
Yes.
Huwag ka magsisave.
Whoa, ate, whoa, you're kind of following me. Ate,
You're following me.
no, I'm Ate, didn't
Oh my gosh!
you almost kill me.
Lili, mag-hide ka kasi.
Sige. I wanna hide.
How can I... Oh my god.
You can cheat.
Oh my gosh. Oh no, I'm stuck.
Oh my god.
I'm not a very good killer. So.
Yeah, I think someone just let me see.
Wait.
Ate, I hear you. Hey,
Can you tell me where they are? Oh my god.
there's a guy over there. Hi, little bro.
Hey there, baby.
I hope no one join me as my friend. Because banana ang banana.
Ay!
Oh,
Te!
ate, there's banana.
Wait lang, te.
Eat banana. Ate, you're getting closer to me.
Wag ka, magtago ka lang.
I mean,
Just save yourself.
I
No one else. Ay, te,
think
mayroon.
there's someone. I'm trying to get to my closet. Ate, you're getting closer to me.
It's okay. I didn't kill you.
Oh,
Yay!
ate, did you just kill me?
No, I didn't.
Why am I walking like this?
Oh, I don't know. Ay, kasi baka na ano mo to. Oh.
Don't kill me. If you kill me, I'll kill you.
Huh?
Ate, I think I saw someone in the edge. There, that's what I saw. They're trying to that's trying to help me. He picked me when I was...
Oh!
At yung nakat mo ko, he helped me. Tapos tumalon na ako. Kaya na, pero good time.
Hindi, nasa mo yun?
Bro, he's cheating me using Agnamen. At ito.
Te, nasan na kayo, te?
Bro, don't...
Te, yung ubo mo.
I think I'm kinda closer to you.
Ay, mga te.
Ate, I'm gonna run. Ate, did you just place that one? You know, just gonna easily... Oh my god, Ate, did you... Ate, I'm stuck. Never mind. Ate, you're getting closer to me. Ate, you're kinda closer to me. Are you following me?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Ate, I'm gonna go. Ate,
Ay, sorry! I didn't mean to.
No one's gonna watch you. Right.
Oh my gosh! 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 No! 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 No!
Ate, here's the girl.
Okay. Wait.
Go. Did he leave? No, he leave. Ate.
Oh no! At least I killed 5 people.
Yeah, you almost killed me.
I got-
Kill me.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Ready? You know, just cook some fish. Yummy, yummy fish. So I'm gonna have.
Magbabay na tayo sa kanila.
Okay.
Ah, dito ka, dito ka, dito ka.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys! Thank you for watching!
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. See you later again.